process is tracked via our management software. Clients receive quotes online and can approve jobs all online. Clients also receive a reminder of quote date, job date, and can even track our vehicles when we are approaching their homes. Gutter cleaning is definitely a safety concern. Preventing bushfires and water damage is of high importance. Roof cleaning helps you to maintain the roof structure, safety, and integrity. Soft washing your house once a year helps you to maintain the paint and keeps it looking fresh longer. Pressure cleaning helps you to keep your place safe. Pathways, driveways, and stairs tend to build up moss and mold. This can be very slippery and dangerous. Windows are the first impression of a house. Not only do they need to look great, but a buildup of contaminants and pollutants will affect the natural sunlight into your home. Contact us today for a free quote and to experience the Crystal Services Group difference.